Arushi was a wonderful 12-year-old girl. She was an athlete, MUN Model United Nations debater, and also the school prefect. She was also selected for the under 16 girls football team. But something unpleasant happened to her at this tender age, because of which she lost all the charm of her life and she became a patient by losing 25 kgs of her weight. It was not some disease, it was not some harassment by people, or it was not something unusual. Very simple things had made this situation. Before telling you the reasons behind her real life situation, I will tell you a small story which gives you an insight into what the youth generally goes through at this age. Once upon a time, there lived a penguin. The penguin used to look into the sky, looking for the flying birds, and used to feel bad that he could not fly. He was so sad that he decided to travel the world to learn to fly. He started his journey and met many flying creatures, to the mightiest eagle to the smallest of insect, and begged them to teach him how to fly. But unfortunately, he could not learn to fly, and he became very sad. And one day he started crying. As he was crying, he saw a snake sunning itself on a nearby rock. And all these days he was just looking for flying creatures, so he had never seen a snake before. To his amazement, this new creature had no legs. "Excuse me," he said to the snake. "I had never seen a creature like you before. What are you?" "I am a snake. I too hadn't seen a creature like you before. What are you?" said the snake. "I am a penguin. I have traveled a long distance to learn to fly. But unfortunately, I couldn't learn how to fly." Saying this, the penguin started crying again. "I am really sorry to see you so sad," said the snake. "But I don't understand why you want to fly. I am a bird. All the birds fly. But unfortunately, I can't fly." Saying this, the penguin cried again. The snake said, "I still don't understand. I am a reptile. All the reptiles have legs. But I didn't waste my time and life to get some legs from other reptiles." The penguin's crying slowed down. He thought about the words of the snake, and he thought to himself, yeah, what he's saying is right. He thought about his friends and family whom he hadn't seen from years. All the time he wasted with being unhappy with who he was, and realized the snake was right. "Thank you, my friend," he said to the snake. "You have given me the answer for my problem." The snake was even more puzzled. "What? Did I teach you how to fly?" questioned the snake. "Even better," exclaimed the penguin. "You have taught me how to not fly." Seeing the confused look on his new friend's face, the penguin said, "All these years I thought of myself as a bird first and then penguin. If I could fly like other birds, I wouldn't be a penguin anymore, and I would never see my friends and family again, or my home again." The penguin thanked the snake and hurried home to make up for all the time he had wasted traveling. Believing in your own worth is the first stage to start your success story. Trust your capabilities and try to work on them. This process is called self-awareness. WHO, World Health Organization, defines self-awareness as recognizing of self, our character, our strengths and weaknesses, and our desires and dislikes. They say that this is a prerequisite to learn all other core life skills. This will help us immensely in our life. For example, when we are in stress, actually we don't know why we are under stress. We don't know the reasons. We just show the symptoms of anger, frustration, irritation, and sleeplessness. Let us come back to the story of Arushi. What had happened to Arushi that she got into this situation? I'm just using another name for the real life situation of this girl so that I can keep the confidentiality of the case. Arushi was happy, healthy, and maybe little chubby because she was a food lover. She used to eat little more than other girls. She was selected for under 16 football team, and she started going for the practice sessions and also for some camps with mostly senior girls than her, because she was 12-year-old and it was a under 16 team. She used to observe these other teenage girls and she felt that I want to become like them. They are so beautiful and slim, and they don't eat much. They just eat some junk and still they are good. That's it. She stopped eating, and during the process, next 3 months, she lost about 25 kgs of her weight and became a patient. Desiring to become like others without understanding what makes us special and unique is a major mistake most of the teenagers do in this world today. Not only that, Arushi was on medication, and one day some of her friends started teasing her. They even stole some of the medicines from her bag. This shattered the already depressed girl. She felt betrayed by her own friends. What is trivial for one person may be life destroying for another. It all depends on the personality of individual. Learning life skills not only helps us personally, but it also helps us to help others who are in need. We can know about ourselves better, and also we can know about what the others are going through. Arushi even attempted suicide because of her major depression. Arushi is 15-year-old now. She's fine now. She's mostly on the medication and regular visits to psychiatrists. But unfortunately, she didn't gain back her vigor and energy in life. She says that someone should have trained her or at least told her about life skills at the tender age of 12. 10 to 19 is the best age to learn about life skills. Life skills, self-awareness, empathy, critical thinking, creative thinking, decision-making, problem-solving, interpersonal communication, effective communication, dealing with stress, dealing with emotions. These are a must to be successful and be happy in life. But whether you are a 10-year-old or a 60-year-old watching this video, please know that it's never late to learn about life, our own life. As per the latest statistics, 1 in 5 of Indian teenagers are in major depression. 48% of them contemplate suicide. 70% of them show major mood swings and bad temper. For your information, India has the largest population of teenagers. 25% of Indian population is between 13 and 19 years of age. If we can take care of you, we will be the most successful nation in no time. In this YouTube channel, we train people systematically in life skills. Life skills are the must for happy and successful life. You find a questionnaire in the description of this video to learn more about yourself. Please answer and wait till our next video for an amazing journey into and in life. Please consider subscribing to our channel for updates on our videos. Thank you so much.